We got us a running generator. It's been sitting a while, but part in it. He's running good. I think I'm gonna put it up for sale. Whoever wants to bite at it. He's running good. First crank. So that's the generator part of my morning. So I guess I'm gonna run get some corn for Miss Blackie and her little friend. Yes, yes, we are coming. Well, I wonder if we could find an egg this morning somewhere. Yeah, I know you guys are laying, but where? Did you lay me an egg? See if we can find one in this little pen or this little cage right here. Oh, nothing there yet. Well, I'm gonna have to get on the road here in a little bit, so I'll let the children do the main chores. No egg there. I'm gonna grab a little bit of corn. Might feed these while I'm here. If you girls are hungry, I mean, there's feed in the feeder. And I get through here without making you feel rushed. There you go. Yeah, we need some more feeding space for you guys. How'd you get out? Ahead of everybody. I didn't see no egg this morning. I fed the chickens, huh?
We already got the egg from that was last night.
Did you find it?
No, I
okay.
went over it.
It's fine. Just put your magnet there, and then I fed the chickens. Otherwise, nothing else is. taken care of. I'm gonna feed the pigs. What you eating on? Here, guys. Come on, girl. Oh yeah, corn. That's what I've been waiting for. Come on, buddy. Blackie. Let him in there. Blackie. Blackie. What you doing? Oh, stop it. Blackie, you need not to be like that. Hey. She said, I love you, but this is my feed. Naya, can you come get this corn? Not sure what she's eating on. What are you eating? Oh, you're licking out that. Grab that.
She's licking off the ranch. I guess dogs like ranch.
Okay. Pigs might need drinking water, otherwise they're done. So that be done. I gotta go get ready. Got a meeting this morning again, so but I got the generator running. It'll probably be going out for trade or for sale since it sits in my little shed and it hasn't been used in I don't know how many years. Don't like stuff sitting around getting old, and then it needs gaskets and stuff when we want to use it, so might as well let someone else get use out of it. So I gotta go get prepared to hit the road again. Everybody have a blessed day.